Let's fill out the Maine cat bill of sale together, so both sides walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the cat's details. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the cat. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. Specifics make a stronger record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now, the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. So you're putting together a cat bill of sale, and you want to make sure you're covering what your state requires. Let's walk through it together. First, as the seller, you'll need to deliver a written disclosure to the buyer. This disclosure must include a health statement, signed by you, either confirming that the cat has no known health problems at the time of delivery, or clearly disclosing any known health problems that do exist. On top of that written disclosure, you're also required to orally go over all of that medical information with the buyer before the sale is finalized. So the conversation needs to happen, not just the paperwork. You'll also need to provide the buyer with a written notice of their rights, and you'll need to sign it yourself, certifying that everything in it is accurate. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.